Hey everyone, I'm Anna Huthmaker with Huthmaker Violins. We found another one of our Student Stuck at Home series videos. Today is the third video in a 3-video set that's all about intervals. Now the first one, if you go back a few days, we did the perfect intervals, the unison, the fourth, the fifth, and the octave. Then yesterday, or day before yesterday, I can't keep them straight, we did the other major intervals, the second and the third, the sixth and the seventh. Today I thought I'd throw a little spice in there for you. As you probably know, we don't live our entire lives playing major scales. We also play minor scales. And thus we also have minor intervals. So today I thought I would throw some minor intervals your way and show you what they sound like so you can start practicing those also. So on the poster, just so you know, the minor intervals are purple. And my favorite one of all starts the minor second. And it's a lot more fun on the string bass, but it sounds like this. I can't help it, I get so excited, it's Jaws. Now, the minor second is the closest thing in Western music that we have between two notes. For me, it also sounds like the very end of a scale. Like when I hear those two notes together, I feel like we're done. So, F sharp to G, it's a minor second. So the minor second, you can either think of Jaws or you can think of the end of a scale. The minor third, like the major third, it always reminds me of an arpeggio. I'm an arpeggio girl, I can't help it, so. Is just one of the most beautiful intervals out there. And it also sounds like green sleeves. It also sounds like the lullaby, the Brahms lullaby. Go to sleep, go to sleep. So I love that minor third sound. Now the next one, I guess it's going to be considered a minor interval. It's one of the coolest intervals out there, and it's called the tritone. The tritone actually used to be considered the devil's interval. In music, they didn't even used to allow you to play with it. But what it is, you remember back from the first video, we have a perfect fourth, Here Comes the Bride, and we have a perfect fifth, Twinkle Twinkle. Those are our perfect strong intervals. They're shining and bright. Well, there's a note between those two notes. And it's called the tritone. You can consider it a minor fifth, an augmented fourth, whatever you want to consider it, but we call it a tritone. Now, your parents will remember it from a song called Maria from West Side Story, and a lot of people remember that. But it's a really cool, kind of a scary movie sounding interval. The tritone. The next one is going to be the minor sixth. So that one is also to me kind of a scary movie sounding one. Some people know it from The Entertainer. I don't know The Entertainer. I can't play that one for you. But if you know The Entertainer, that is the sound of a minor sixth. That one for me, I just memorized. You can also Google intervals and they'll tell you some other songs that are more modern that you may know that will help you remember them. But for a minor sixth, you have to admit it's a pretty cool sounding interval. And then the last one right now, minor seventh. So again, a minor seventh, you're crawling up to the octave, right? It's a weird sounding one. That's another one that comes from West Side Story. Your parents might recognize that one. For me, that's another one I had to kind of memorize. And it also still makes my ear want to crawl up to that octave. So when you practice these and learn them and figure them out with different scales, you'll find different things that trigger your memory and help you to remember them. Start with those unison ones and those perfect ones. Those are the most important. Then do the major ones. Then when you're feeling really like you're having a fun day, throw in some of these minor ones. You'll be glad you did. Now you know pretty much all the intervals that I'm going to do videos on. My name is Anna Huthmaker from Huthmaker Violins. Now go practice your intervals.